what a beautiful view we have here. Very nice car. Ironman. The car caught fire in 2 spots on the front and the back. 5% of the new parts.
There you go, you're the fat one.
No, you're eating. No.
Don't lie.
No.
Don't lie.
No. Anyway, tell us more about this.
So we are doing a dash mod to install a shifter gear selector light for the E46 of Apex.
Nice.
And basically what we're gonna do, more or less, is still I'm working on it, but putting 2 switches, which I modeled. I think one is for the diff pump or transmission pump, I don't remember, but 2 switches, so you see them here, 1 and 2, and then the shift light angled, so...
Oh nice, so you actually see it more towards the driver.
And then here probably the TF card holder.
Ah nice,
yeah,
actually.
So you can insert it there and then you pull it out.
Fast touring?
Fast touring.
Not so fast touring.
I don't say that, it's pretty fast. So you done some spicy alignment on it now?
Yes, track speed came true. I have
minus 50 degrees camber.
3.5 in the front.
5. Cup 2s.
Yeah.
By the way, look at this. Mr. Heel and Toe is visiting the country after moving to California.
Yeah, I escaped.
You escaped. I mean, I'm not blaming you.
No, it's good to be back though.
Yeah.
I miss it here.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. And your E46 is sold, unfortunately.
I'm just in the process of selling it.
So no laps.
No laps today, unfortunately.
Oh, nice.
I have the honor of driving
this.
It's fantastic. You're gonna love it.
Yeah.
I love this car.
I just love the E46 platform, and it's the perfect car to learn the track.
Yes.
Power.
Yeah. Relearn the track because you haven't been here like what?
Where does it go again?
I think up and down.
Anti-clockwise.
Right,
yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly. Opposite direction.
Yeah. Should be fun. It's a beautiful day.
It is. I think it's one of the last beautiful days, to be honest.
Probably.
Well, we might have some dry days, but I think this is like the last time I'll be using ND filter. Because I'm surprised we have sun at all.
You could screw it off, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Well, good seeing you. Enjoy a laps. Hope to see you in California.
Yeah, come by
We'll
anytime.
go for laps soon.
Yes.
Once I fit the ITBs.
Ooh, ITBs. Are they coming already?
Yeah. Next week I'm gonna
Next
start working
week?
with that.
Wow.
And then it needs to be fine-tuned, and then we'll
And
come
then,
back.
Wide open
I
throttle.
want the noise, the induction noise.
yes, and carbon intake, right?
Yeah.
At some point, eventually.
Absolutely.
Then a big wing and a splitter.
And then the flat floor.
Yep.
And we can fly on
GT3.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do that.
Fast
Yeah.
touring.
So that's a little update of what's happening in Vulcan Alpha. Right now we have so much cool stuff in development. Some of them are pretty much locked in, some of them are still under negotiation, but it looks like we're going to be building some really cool cars for next year. And very much looking forward to share that with you in due course. But already sort of like, sort of a teaser, yeah. Because we haven't spoken about anything what's happening here over the last 2 months or more. One of the proudest things that is going to be happening actually is unveiling of our universal DRS system that we'll be unveiling at Professional Motorsport World Expo in Cologne. So if you're going to be there, it's second week of November. Just Google it or link in the video description. Come visit us and lots of other cool stuff what's happening in motorsport. Right now, let's go to the car park because European Speed Club Track Day is taking place. I just drove KTM Crespo GT XR. Fantastic car. Video has been published probably already on the main channel, or maybe it will be published simultaneous with this one. We are, by the way, look at that, almost 9,000 kilometers. We will be hitting 10,000 kilometers soon because I'll be taking this car to Italy in about a month's time to attend the wedding that will be taking place at the same time as an NLS race. So I'll be skipping that one, unfortunately, because a very good friend of mine is getting married. And personal life priorities over fun, I would say. So yeah, let's go, let's go. GT3 RS. There are so many of them nowadays. Because I don't know when's the last time I made like a car spotting video, maybe through some track day, but even in TF, there's so many Porsches. I mean, we can count them all. And it's not even like official Porsche track day, like Manta Racing, for example, but they're only Porsches. GT3s, GT3 RSs, also some lost random Cayman over here, another GT3 RS, a 993, well, surprising. Some convertible, could be just a S or Carrera S. Oh wow, a lost Corvette. The sun is very harsh right now, so I hope you don't mind. Gen 2 RS, GT3. That's the ESC car that we might have driven in Sweden for the ice driving, but no, that's the previous gen. Turbo S, no, an M4 GT4. Very nice color on this 718 GT4 RS. GR Yaris. Oh, CSL. That's nice. It's also cool to see that people are track them, because I think I see like one every week or so here at the ring, different ones. So again, it's nice that people are tracking them and they're not collector's items. Some of them, of course, do collect, and also nothing wrong with that. 4RS, a touring, very nice, classic color. Didn't notice the Iron Man sticker on it. That's actually nice. That's something original. A classic one in the Rush. 968 CS. There's Philip with the Golf 7 GTI. For the old school people, he bought my Up, the Sub 7 Up, back in the days, long time back in the days. And now he's driving the Golf 7 that we actually also did a video with, I think almost 2 years ago by now. Again, the 968 CS. Very nice and beautiful and pretty. More GT3s. A Lost E92 and 997 RS. Recently drove a 997 almost RS, like a self-made RS. Really made me smile and almost cry from happiness. Another Corvette? Wow, actually some variety. But as you can see, most of it is dominated by Porsche. I think this is as far as it goes. Oh, hello, an ST. I guess we're not at the end of our car spotting video, because ST is really something unique. Basically a GT3 RS without a wing and a manual gearbox and some extra aero. Nice. There's another very internet, Instagram, especially in Germany, famous GT3 RS of Jan-Erik Sloten.
Hey champ.
Your back brakes making sound. Are you driving with traction control on?
No.
No. How are you?
Good, you? How was the trip to Australia?
Very good.
Yeah.
Well, again, a big thank you to European Speed Club for hosting me today with the KTM. Fantastic atmosphere. Lots of cool cars, good drivers. And aside from drivers, we're also not allowed to forget fantastic instructors that they have. Big 24-hour of Nürburgring winners, so you're always in good hands. You can get lots of good tips, either here at the Nürburgring or in Sweden on ice driving or any other tracks. So yeah, hope I can visit them once again more, because this was really cool. As I was driving, I'm going to 24/7 Performance, by the way, and later probably Atomic, because I was thinking, what can I show you? There are lots of things going on, because 24/7 is rebuilding or building the new BMW M4 that I previously crashed. And I was driving, I realized what a beautiful view we have here. And I have my GoPros on me, and do I really need to film only on the track all the time? I can also take you through the nice environment that we have here surrounding the Nürburgring. The roads are fantastic, they're really good for road tours, to explore yourself. It's really one of the best parts about coming here, about living here. It is really, really great. Especially this particular spot. I have no idea why they built it like that. Instead of a boring straight road, you have like, it's basically like mini foxhole or mini Eau Rouge, where you just have to, well, you don't have to. It's very technical. Don't drive it fast, but if you do, it might be very exciting. But fast is very subjective, as long as you stay below speed limit, right, kids? How convenient. Make sure to follow AST on Facebook and Instagram. Woo! The cage is here, and a lot more parts as well, but more importantly, the cage. All custom made. I'm not sure if you can actually see it because it's a bit dark. We're gonna leave it in the box because it's gonna go straight to the chassis that's already waiting for the cage somewhere else at the welder. And here we have about like 5% of the new parts of the car, because the other 95% are in a container waiting to be shipped here, but we don't need them yet. So the car will have, as a teaser, all the bushings replaced by uniballs, so it will be a full 24/7 performance spec. And that's kinda it. And by the way, you remember that car? What a coincidence to have it here. For people who are new to the channel, that's the other M4 that I crashed like 2 years ago and rebuilt completely. So now it's been sold and being prepared by the new owner. Yeah, but that was a nice project. And let's see if we can, well, I'm sure we can top this one up even further. That was a nice and short, sweet visit to 24/7 performance. A lot more is coming soon. Remember this place, by the way? For the real OGs. There's something is happening, but it's not what it used to be anymore. About the AST cage, I received from them an email with instructions how to weld it, with the TÜV appendix, or not TÜV, but FIA appendix, so it will be FIA approved after the inspection, so it's a FIA spec cage. While we're speaking about the parts, there's one more I want to show you that has arrived a while back. DF Anticendio. That is a very taped off box, but this is a fire suppression system for the M4. Not gonna unwrap it too much, but during the crash the car caught fire in 2 spots on the front and the back. This time we are not going to risk it. So full fire suppression system, FIA approved as well, is coming in the car, so stay tuned for that, for the full installation, and hopefully never trying it out, but you want to have it when you need to have it. So yeah, that's going in. I'm trying to figure out where the hell I'm going, because there's some construction site here. Can we go through there? I think we can go through there. Let's try to go through there. Taking M3 off-roading would have been the title for the video pretty much, if I was Chefchen or Whistling Diesel. Okay, maybe we'll go through here. And now we are, of course, at the Nürburgring Boulevard. And I think this might be the end of today's video. It was kind of just like a bit of showing you around. It was cool to see the cage, most importantly. It ended up being different sort of onboard on the public road, not on track, which I don't think is bad. Maybe we can do something like that more often. It's kind of cool. I mean, 99% of automotive YouTube is about driving on the roads and not on the track. So if, I don't know, if you guys like it, we can repeat it more often. I can take you to some other villages, show you some nice roads. Maybe we can do a collab with 360 Road Books. Maybe we can do a collab with some other, I don't know. There's actually, there's a Caterham. No, Caterham. Don't cater ham. You can cater a ham during your dinner, but you can drive a Caterham. Dealership and experience center at the Nürburgring Boulevard, where you can rent one for like 99 euros for half an hour or an hour. Don't pinpoint me on that. So maybe that's something we can check out the next time. So until then, I'm telling you goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and let's have a look at the construction site here of the new hotel / guest house. I think guest house is a more appropriate word. But it's nice to see that something is being built very fast and very quick, because it's already wow, the walls are already being erected. That's quick. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. And for food chat we have chicken hearts with rice. What? And vlog shots.